Part 16 of the Tips for Teachers series, Publishing Files and Folders. In this video, we will go over publishing files and folders in Canvas. Publishing means the difference between visibility and invisibility to students. When any item or course is unpublished, students do not have access. From the dashboard, select the class you wish to edit. From the home page, go to Files in the course navigation bar. Scroll to the file or folder you want to publish. Select the /through circle. A pop-up will appear which gives you multiple options for changing the status of the folder. You may publish, unpublish, or restrict access. If you restrict access, you can choose from two options: only available to students with link, not visible in student files. Alternately, you can choose Schedule Student Availability. This will expand two entry fields below where you can edit the Available From and Available Until dates by typing or selecting inside the calendar. Select Update, and the file or folder will change publishing status.